Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show icons in tabs in Safari Internet Browser on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Safari. Okay, in Safari, you want to go down and tap on Show Icons in Tabs. So tap on the switch to turn it off or on. So at the moment, we have it on. So if I swipe up to go back to my home screen and open up the Safari web browser, you can see if I turn to landscape mode, on my tabs here, there are icons right next to it. Okay, so if I go back into settings and switch it off, and if I go back to my browser and in landscape mode, you can see now all my tabs no longer shows the icons. And sometimes it can be useful to switch it off because we have a very small screen space on the iPhone. So by turning off the icons, we have a little bit more text displaying in the tab. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.